Thangmeiban MLA Khumukcham Joykisan has called on the government to resolve the ongoing turmoil in the state. He also appealed to the people from all communities to work together to restore peace and prosperity in Manipur. Speaking during the inauguration of the Thangmeiban Kabui Women's Organization and Namthalong Youth Club Office Building and Worship Hall, Joykisan remarked that peace will restore in Manipur when the government can protect its people. He urged the people of various communities and political parties to unite, emphasizing that they should focus on the well-being of all of Manipur rather than just their own communities. The event saw participation from IPS Faumi Gonglin, Chief of Namthalong El Pausonlung, President of Kabui Women's Organization Asimlu Remay, and local residents.
Husik, aku ini pun mana lawi, aisu lawi, elected member pun musuh lawi, political party pun musuh lawi, CS pun musuh lawi, kari lawi, integrity. Maru oi badi, aku ini sudah kundari ba, ningtau waktu kini history dagi, yenongai dagi, itias ka sabun lai ba, kundari ba purup singse, sinan nuksina lai bagi integrity tu nehet maru oi badi. Purup singsi emotional integrity si lain apa, geographical integrity adum lain ni, sungkai kai lo. Aku ini manung dah lain ba, purup singsi na teman ba, wakalo la akadani, aku ini teman ba, madu ki magi ego class magi purup ki leader sana na ba pernah apa, magi purup anggap taraf na aku ini geographical integrity kai kita guys. Aku ini musik tangkap sedih dah, aku ini kudi mana, aku ini Lamdam sida Manipur, lamdam sida इतिहास का सागों ने तार एक बार पुरुष खुद मुझसे मिची चाला ने लेबी ने बसे सिदा पुन्ना पुन्ना में न साइब से आई मसीही असुगम फंक्शन जिगल रेन अपील तो जरी